Hey everyone! Today I'm going to talk you about how to get a data analyst job without any prior experience. This video is especially for those who are changing careers, like teachers or accountants or are recent graduates who haven't had professional contact with data analysis yet. So, if you are feeling lost and don't know how to break into the data analyst market, stick with me because today I'm gonna to share a complete guide for those without experience who want to enter this career. First, let's talk about the essential skills you need to learn how to become a data analyst. I graduated in business administration and made this career change 8 years ago, so I know exactly how this process works. If you are changing careers or don't have a background in the field, don't worry, you are not alone. There are two important things here: understanding which tools to learn and where to learn them. The main tools are SQL, Excel, Python, and a data visualization tool like Power BI. These are the tools you are using on a daily basis as a data analyst, so learning them is fundamental. There are several accessible platforms where you can learn these tools, such as Udemy and DataCamp. Additionally, ChatGPT is a very useful tool that, beyond helping with concepts, can be programmed to create challenges and exercises on the tools you want to learn. Also, don't forget about YouTube, which is an excellent source for finding content and tutorials on these topics. I also have two ebooks, one about Excel and another about Power BI, which can be very helpful with these basic concepts. The links are in the comments below. These tools are the foundation of data analysts' daily work. And look, the learn curve can be fast. In just a few months of dedication, you can be ready for the job market. I will share an example later to show this is entirely possible. Now, let's talk about building an effective portfolio. A well-done portfolio is one of the keys to landing your first job, even without previous experience. What I recommend is creating 3 to 5 projects that can showcase your skills in data exploration, cleaning, and data visualization. Ideally, create a complete Power BI project starting from ETL in SQL or Power Query if the data source is Excel, all the way through model building and visualization. These projects can be done with public data, and the most important thing here is not how grand the project is, but how you demonstrate your skills in analyzing data and generating insights. You can share these projects on platforms like YouTube, even recording a video without sound, or if you are comfortable, explaining the entire process where other professionals and recruiters can see your work. It doesn't have to be a huge project. Just show how you can take a dataset, clean it, analyze it, and generate valuable visualizations. That is enough to prove your skills. Now, let's talk about your resume and LinkedIn. The focus of your resume should be on the skills you have learned and the projects you have developed, not necessarily on your previous work experience, especially if they are unrelated to the data field. Even if you don't have formal experience in data analysis, you can highlight your technical skills and the projects you have developed in your portfolio. This is what recruiters want to see. Additionally, it's super important to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Make it clear that you are looking for opportunities in data analysis and connect with people in the field, especially recruiters and hiring managers. Don't be afraid to introduce yourself and mention that you are interested in data analysis roles. Sometimes a message can open doors. Speaking on recruiters, they play a very important role in helping those just starting out. They can help you find those first opportunities, even if you don't have much experience yet. But for that, it's important to be prepared for technical interviews. Show confidence in the tools you have learned like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. Show that you know how to solve data problems even if you haven't done in a professional settings yet. Nowadays, practical tests on tools are increasingly common, so practicing is essential. You need to prove that even without formal experience, you have the skills necessary to solve problems. This is where your portfolios make all the difference. Now, I want to share my history. Back in 2016, I was working as an administrative analyst and had a great passion for Excel. That's when I discovered Power BI, and driven by curiosity, I started exploring it on my own. I enjoyed it so much that I decided to present Power BI to the company I was working for. They liked the idea and asked me to create some dashboards. Although these initial dashboards were simple and lacked proper modeling, they are a little bit like a Frankenstein. They were instrumental in opening up new opportunities for me. When I left that company, I secured a position as a junior data analyst in another organization. With a lot of study, dedication, and the courage to ask colleagues and leaders for help, I evolved and eventually became a senior analyst. Don't let the lack of experience hold you back. With dedication and a well-structured plan, you can become a data analyst and land your dream job. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content about data analysis. I'm always bringing tips and guides to help you enter this amazing market. And if you want to go deeper and accelerate your learning, check out my books on Power BI and Excel. The links are in the description below. That's all for today. Breaking into the data analysis fields is entirely possible, and I hope this video has shown you that with dedication, anyone can achieve that goal. I'll see you on the next video.